So, as one would imagine, the ponding or the laking, whatever you want to call it, concerned us, and we thought, oh, wow, is this record ruined? We remember seeing something like it, a contrast difference in the vinyl for, say, like Styx Paradise Theater, but that's in an organized fashion. It's an image. This is just, ponding, as you can see better in the still photos that we took. So we thought we would see if it affected the sonic quality of the record, and we listened to it from beginning to end all the way through, and it didn't affect anything. Left and right stereo, there was no change. Didn't matter where we dropped the needle. It was fine throughout, and there was no skips. We listened to both sides all the way through.